So welcome to Berry King, a wall surface that is really bad around your house. As you can see, the cracks, for example. What we've prepared is a two-part sample to show you exactly what the surface around your house can look like to get your house 100% waterproofed. Okay, sample wall that has been created. On the left side of the sample wall is a sort of a skim coat to the surface of the wall, and then the application of a Kingtac 2 primer, and then application of a cementitious polymer product with plastomer and elastomer in it. And then on the right side we have the same application process. The only difference is we have applied a transparent membrane to the wall surface with waterproofing before we actually land up painting the entire house. Maintenance factor on this wall would probably only be in the period of 7 to 10 years, and get your home 100% waterproof the right way.